I'm going to show you how to delete thousands of Gmail emails in seconds. First, in the search bar, type in this and then press enter on your keyboard. And this is everything. And then right here at the top left corner, click on this checkbox here. Now you're going to see this message. Now you're going to see this message that says all 50 conversations on this page are selected. Then you have an option to select all 28,384 conversations in all mail. So this is what you want to do if you want to delete all of this. Click on this and you see this. It says all 28,384 conversations in all mail are selected. What you want to do if you want to delete is go ahead and click on delete. Once you click on delete, everything in this email will be wiped off. And then once it's deleted from here, I don't actually want to delete everything on my email, but this is how you go about it. Once this is selected like this and you click on this delete, and then you now have to scroll down, click on more, scroll down and click on trash. Now from trash, you just have to click on empty trash. Once you click on empty trash, you'll be prompted by Gmail to continue. So you just click on OK if you want to continue. But if you do not want to, of course, you can just click on cancel. It's that simple and straightforward.